So, good morning to everybody, and thank you very much for the invitation here in the beautiful premises of the Dury College. Sport is not only about medals, titles, cups. Sport is much more than this. It's a social platform, and while in the past it was mostly a tool of dominance and superiority for the nations. Now it has become a platform, a tool for inclusion, for integration, for respect, for solidarity, and this is essentially the actual power of sport. As Nelson Mandela was saying about 20 years ago in his famous speech, sport has the power to change the world. Sport has to do with values, and talking about values, we must always keep in mind that we are in the place that is the birthplace of values-based sport, Greece, where all the Olympism and all the sport activities started about some 2000 plus years ago. And I think that as Greeks we have this heritage to convey this message to the world, to the global. Regarding the specific conference, I would like to say that sport is an issue of primary public interest, because sport has to do with, first of all, with the health of the citizens. It has to do with the values for the society and especially for the young generations. It has to do with the image of the country regarding the successes of the Greek athletes and the Greek teams abroad. And also, sport has to do with development. As we heard before from our Minister of Tourism, Greece has a significant advantage regarding sport tourism, a competitive advantage regarding sport tourism, because it has, let's say, the climate, it has the morphology, it has a unique sailing field, the Aegean or the Ionian Sea, and of course it has become the last years the place that everybody comes for the authentic marathon, or for visiting Olympia, Delphi, and other global landmarks from Greece. That's why I think that conference like this, especially the topic of sport tourism, is very important to be discussed and to be developed here in Greece, in Dury College. And in addition, I think that because sport is, let's say, a universal language, we have to exploit it a little bit more for all the social issues that we face in our modern societies. I wish all the best for the conference in these next days, and all the best for the students that are here with us. Thank you very much.